Are you struggling to grow out your little one's hair? In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a simple DIY deep conditioner that you are going to be making at the comfort of your home to help you grow out your little one's hair naturally. Now, if this video sounds interesting, please keep on watching. So to make this amazing DIY deep conditioner, I'm going to be using banana. Okay, banana is the main ingredient for this deep conditioner, which means you don't have to skip it. I'm going to be using 5 pieces of banana, but you can use more or less. The reason why I'm using this quantity is because I'm also going to be using it on my older daughter's hair. Okay, so usually when I make a treatment, a hair treatment like this, I normally use it on both of their hair, unless one is still carrying a fresh hairstyle. Okay, so I'm going to just cut the banana and place them in my blender for easy blending. Now, the next thing that I'm going to be adding to my banana is egg. Is considered a protein, which means it's going to help to strengthen the hair. Another thing that I'm going to add is onion. Recently, I love adding onions to my DIY because onion helps a great deal. Onion is very, very rich in sulfur, which means it can benefit our hair greatly. Okay. So after blending, I was supposed to strain it immediately, but I forgot to blend my aloe vera. So I'm going to just be doing that. I'm going to be blending the aloe vera, and once I am done, I'll pour it into the sieve and then I will sieve everything together. Okay, so aloe vera helps with moisture, which means it can help to hydrate our hair and keep it moisturized. So here I'm going to be straining the mixture. Please don't forget to strain the mixture. Don't forget to pass it over a sieve. This will prevent those tiny banana particles from sticking to your hair, because once it does, it takes time to wash off. All right, so now that I'm done sieving my ingredients, I'm going to be adding the last 2 ingredients, and the last 2 ingredients I'm going to be adding are mayonnaise, which is very, very good for our hair. I'm also going to be adding honey, which is also a humectant. It helps to moisturize and condition our hair. So now I'm going to mix everything together. I actually advise that you blend everything together, like put everything in the blender before blending and just blend everything all together, so that you don't struggle to mix especially the mayonnaise, because as you can see, it was not really mixing up so well. But I'll try as much as possible to make sure that everything marinates. So I'm going to pour it in my applicator bowl, and yeah, our DIY deep conditioner is ready to be used. So this homemade deep conditioner is safe to use on your babies as long as they are of age. I'm talking of 2 years and above. All right, if your baby's hair is shedding excessively, if your baby's hair is difficult to manage, try this deep conditioner on their hair. Okay, and try it once every wash day. Alright, so this is what my daughter's hair was looking like. Now I am going to part her hair and start conditioning her hair. This hair, I've already washed her hair. You could see the water glittering. I've already shampooed the hair. It's important that you shampoo this hair before applying this deep conditioner. Unless you want to use it as a pre-put treatment, please wash the hair before applying this deep conditioning treatment. Okay, I prefer to apply my deep conditioner on a clean hair, so that way all the benefits will penetrate and give you the best results. All right, like when the hair and the scalp is clean, they absorb the nutrients of your treatment better, because now there is no blockage. I like to work on a clean part. This helps me to prevent breakage. Okay, this helps to prevent breakage, and yeah, that is why I love to work on a clean part. Now Banana is rich in potassium, which means it helps to moisturize and define your hair. The potassium in banana helps to keep your hair moisturized for a long time, okay? And so, like I said earlier, onion contains sulfur, and we know that sulfur is a building block when it comes to our hair growth, okay? So these ingredients mixed together will give you an amazing result for your little one, okay? If you've not tried it before, I will encourage you to try it. And if you don't have all the ingredients complete, please, banana and mayonnaise is very important. I'm sure you have them all. The ingredients that I use in this video, they are easy to source, and that is why it is my go-to when it comes to, you know, homemade deep conditioner. You just have to look around in your kitchen and you will gather up everything that you need to, you know, deeply condition your child's hair, okay? So like I said, if you don't have the ingredients complete, if you have mayonnaise and banana, you are good to go. The beautiful thing about this deep conditioner is that it is safe to use by all. And again, if your child is allergic to any of the ingredients that I use in this video, please totally skip it. If your child is allergic to honey, egg, onion, whatever that I use in this video, please, you can replace them, okay? All right. And now once I am done deep conditioning her hair, I'm going to cover her hair and let it sit for 1 hour. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you've not tried this deep conditioner, I urge you to try it. I believe you're going to love the result, okay? Until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and see you guys in my next one. Bye.